Hey, welcome to Tutorial Lore. This video explains how to reset your password in the Instawork app, whether you're locked out or just want to change it for security reasons. To reset your password if you're logged out, start by opening the Instawork app. On the login screen, tap Forgot Password. Just below the password field, you'll be prompted to enter the email address associated with your Instawork account. After you enter it, check your inbox for an email from Instawork. It should include a secure link to reset your password. Tap the link, then enter your new password. Make sure it's something secure and unique, and confirm it by entering it again. Once you've submitted the form, you'll be able to log in with your new password right away. If you're already logged into the app and want to change your password for security reasons, you can do that from your profile. Tap the profile icon in the bottom navigation bar. Then tap the settings icon or the gear symbol in the corner. Scroll down to find the option labeled Account or Security. Here, you should see a Change Password option. Tap that, enter your current password, then type and confirm your new one. After saving, your password will be updated, and you'll need to use it the next time you log in. Instawork recommends using a strong password that includes a mix of letters, numbers, and symbols. Avoid using the same password across multiple apps or websites. This helps protect your account, especially if you're relying on Instawork for job scheduling and payments. If you don't receive the reset email, check your spam or junk folder. You can also try resending it from the app. If you're still having trouble, Instawork support is available through the Help section in the app or on their website. If you don't understand something or have any questions, leave a comment below. This is not a commercial or paid promotion, but an informational video. For copyright concerns or inquiries, email tutoriallorebiz@gmail.com.